What if you could measure the real quality of your test code? Not just line coverage, but actual bug detection power. Welcome to SDET Code. Track your progress in real time. Your personal dashboard shows total score, bugs found, rank, activity timeline, and QA skill radar, all at a glance. The arcade is your training ground, over 655 AI-generated challenges across 6 real-world domains: e-commerce, authentication, data processing, and more. Write PyTest code right in your browser. The code editor gives you everything you need: syntax highlighting, autocomplete, and instant test execution. 79 handcrafted lab problems offer deeper challenges, real-world scenarios that push your skills from beginner to expert. Your kill ratio shows how many mutants your tests detected. See detailed scoring breakdowns and compare your skills against AI benchmarks. Find the bug and the confetti flies. Each solved challenge earns you XP, tokens, and bragging rights. Stuck? Smart hints guide you step by step. AI-powered coaching helps you learn, not just solve. Start your first challenge free today at sdecode.com.